Okay, we're now going to put up our second and third easy shelf in this walk-in closet. First thing we're going to do, measure to the top of the shelf here. And it's 75 inches, which is the other one, is to the top. And 72 to the top of the hanging rod. Okay. Okay. I'm going to use my level over here. Okay. Just marking the holes where I'm going to put the anchors in. Okay, we're going to put our anchors in, and we haven't hit a stud, which is not a bad thing. It's just that we don't put the anchors in, and we screw directly into the stud, which is a good thing because it'll give you added strength. Now you just hear something that I just did that was not correct. I stripped that anchor. So I'll back it out by hand, and I'll take one of our extra ones and we'll put it back in. We're going to hand tighten these just because we want to make sure that this is level prior to us putting in the screws all the way. Going to get my level. Okay, everything is still good. Gonna put some of this cleaner in on the other side. Make it easy to put it in. Gonna level both the tube and the tube receiver. Gonna mark the holes, the anchors. The anchor's in now. Okay, we're going to hand place the screws in, just to hold them in place. Perfectly level. Unscrew it, and we're gonna put a little Windex in here. Okay, so we now have the top shelf done. Just make sure all these tubes are properly in. And now we're going to put in the center supports. I like to attach them either one side of the collar or the other. And here I'm putting it on the left-hand side of the collar only because it looks a little better when you walk into the closet. But of course you're going to have a lot of things that are hanging here so you wouldn't see it anyway. So again, I'm going to put it on the side of the collar. I'm going to take my level just to make sure that I've leveled this properly. And I'm going to push up slightly on it so that it's fully engaged. Tighten these with the screws. Okay, so that's one up. Go to the next one. I'm just going to split the difference between the side wall and this bracket here. And that is 31 inches. So we're going to do 31 inches, which is right here. And again, it doesn't have to be exact, but it's close enough, it'll work fine. Level this, and I'm going to push up slightly to mark the holes. Okay, get the drill. Put the anchors in now. I can put them all in like this. I want to save some time. Okay. And we're going to just, again, put them in for placement before we tighten anything. Okay. Last screw. Okay, so now the center supports are in, and we're going to put in our last pole. We're going to spray a little bit of Windex in the two holes to make it easy to install. Open up the pole a little bit, twist it closed, put it in place, give it a little shove. Untwist it, extend it. Okay. And voila, we are finished. Now what I need is a little bit of a rag here. Take the Windex off, and we are done. Easy.